Today we're going to build this 5-shelf bookcase. Alright, from RealSpace, obviously, I think. Yep, RealSpace. There's the box. And what you're going to want to do is just lay down all the pieces in a nice carpet area so you don't scratch the surfaces of the paint. And we pretty much have everything laid down, ready to go. Here are all our pieces. They're all numbered 1 through 12. And let's go ahead and get started. Manufacture date. So this is a brand new one still. Nice. Alright, so number 1. Some assembly. Look, this thing has jokes and snacks required. So let's go ahead and insert all these from step 1 to all these boards here, just like how I have them laid down. So let's grab our little bag and get down to it. Alright, here they are. I just threw them all on the carpet. The way you want to put these is this little section here facing outward. You can see the hole right there where it's going to get inserted with step 2. So the way we're going to insert this is, it also has an indication right up here that's indicating that's open, and over here that is locked. Well, but over here doesn't show the little lock. Anyways, so let's go ahead and insert this just like so, right here. And we're going to go ahead and do this to all of these right here. So let's go ahead and grab all these and do every single one, and then we'll move on to the next board, and the next board, and the next board, and the next board, and the next board, the next board. Alright, and there it is. All of them have those little retainer clips. Now we're going to go ahead and go to step 2 to insert all these and all of these here. Alright, so we're going to start with A, B, and C. Here they are, A, B, and C. So this is going to have them up on top, in the middle, and that's it for A and B. And then C is going to have them in all 4 corners. So let's go ahead, and this one's C. It's the closest to me. So we're going to go ahead and put 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we're going to use a Phillips screwdriver to screw these in, just like so. Here it says the tools you'll be needing: Phillips screwdriver, a hammer, and no power tools. But I have it on torque setting number 1, so when I drive this down, it stops. But I shouldn't even be showing this. You guys should be using a Phillips screwdriver. Alright, now we're going to do A and B. Alright, and there it is. Now I'm going to go ahead and do all of these here. So it says to insert them in the first, in the last, and in the middle. And here in the first, in the last, and 2 in the middle. So we'll figure it out right now. Alright, and there it is, all set up. Now we're ready. Turn the page. Now we're going to go ahead and add all these here from step 3 to D, A, and B. Actually, let's skip some steps, or I guess these bags are labeled incorrectly, because this is number 4, but we're going to be using 4. And we're going to be using some small screws. Here they are. to get these done on D and on B and on A. And these are 12 and 4. Alright, and there it is. This is D. That's B and A over there. So remember, use a screwdriver to screw these in. All right there. All right, there it is. Everything is bolted down. Now we're gonna grab C one more time, and we're gonna grab I. Little pillar here. Yep. We're gonna put some screws through it and then cap them off. All right, and this is baggie 11 and 5. There it is, the 3 screws and the 3 caps. So we're going to go ahead and put them in here, and we're going to use a screwdriver. Alright, just make sure they're nice and snug. And here goes the caps. Make those holes invisible. There it is. Sweet. Now, let's go ahead and go on to the next step, which will be this right here. Now we're going to go ahead and connect C with A, and then we're going to twist to lock them. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and grab this end from A, and we're going to go ahead and insert it into these right here. And while we're at it, let's go ahead and insert B as well. You know what? Let's follow directions. I'm getting a little ahead of myself. We need to put this one in the middle first, otherwise it's going to be a mission. So let's just do A for now. Alright, next step is let's go ahead and grab one of these H pillars, and we're going to go ahead and insert it into the holes there. And the curved edge right here is going to be facing the outside, so the flat end towards the inside. And go ahead and line this up. All of them there. Perfect. Perfect. Alright, now let's go ahead and secure all of these down. And this one here. And then this one here. And then this one here. Sweet. We skipped a piece. You know what? Just stop watching this video. This is a whole mess. It all messed up as soon as I started skipping pieces. So let's go ahead and take this off. Alright, there it is. Sorry about that. Let's try this one more time. Sorry, I'll just keep to the instructions. E is next. We're also going to put these little corks on them as well. Alright, let's go ahead and insert it here. And grab a J, and we're going to go ahead and insert this one here. And let's go ahead and secure all these down. And this one as well. Alright, now we're going to grab a D and put it here towards the end. And we're going to insert this one right in here. Alright, let's go ahead and secure these down. Alright, now we're ready to insert B to that side. Alright, there it is. Now let's go ahead and secure all of these here, all the ones that connect to B. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and put the H pillar, and we're going to go ahead and insert these as well, right in here, over here, and right here. Okay, now we're ready to insert this here, curb side going towards the outside. Alright, let's go ahead and secure this one down. Securing all these right here, and this one, and all the way down. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and flip this around. Okay, we're going to go ahead and grab K, and we're going to go ahead and insert this at the bottom so we can secure it down. Curb side's going to go up, so this is going to go right underneath that. Just make sure all the holes line up. Then let's go ahead and insert the little screws using a Phillips screwdriver. Go ahead and secure all of these down. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and put this rear cover, this one here, right in the back, with the wood design facing the inside of the box and the black facing the outside of the shelf. Okay, now grab bag number 7 and just make sure this is nice and level. Then go ahead and tap all these in. Alright, after you have all the nails in there, we're going to go ahead and put on these little shoes, I guess you could say, the little tabs, so it doesn't scrape the floor down at the bottom. Alright, and there it is, all of them on 4 corners. Alright, we're ready to stand the shelf up and set these up. Alright, we're going to grab these little wooden corks and we're going to stick them in all of the F panels. There's 3 of them. And it's going to go right in between, right here in the middle. So let's go ahead and do that to all of them. It's going to take 2 each. Alright, and there they are. And here are the J panels. So let's go ahead and grab these. And this, and this one. And we're going to go ahead and insert it. Alright, just like so. And let's go ahead and secure them right there. Alright, and let's go ahead and do the last 2. Alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to grab these little caps and we're going to go ahead and just cap all of these right here, just like so. Oh. That one was a little tough. And we're going to do all this to all of them. Alright, the next step we're going to do is we're going to grab these little pins and these little rubber boots, and we're just going to go ahead and insert them inside. Alright, just like so. Now we're ready to insert this to any level that you want, just like so. And on the other side as well. And just make sure you put the caps on all these right here. These do have a little pattern, and you just have to like match it up. There it is. Nope, there is not. Just gonna have to match it up. Just like that. I'm gonna be honest with you. I think these are the hardest part. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do all of these here. Just like I did here, you really can't see it. Sorry, it's dark in this office. And I'm gonna do the ones up here, or down here, and down here. But essentially, that's what you want to do. Alright, once you insert all the little caps, now you're ready to insert these little shelves. Put this right in here. Alright, and there it is. And that is how you build that shelf. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.